Hello, my name is Mauricio Salatino. I'm working here with the Dapper project, and basically I'm a software developer. I've been working with different open source projects for a long time, and my advice for people to getting started with open source is usually try to figure out which projects are interesting to you, right? Look at what projects are you already using in your company. If you're a student, which projects are you using in your assignments? What kind of applications are you building? And figure out which open source projects are already in your ecosystem. As soon as you find something that is interesting you, figure out where the community usually meets to talk about things, to have discussions about new features or new things that are coming into the project, and that's the best place to start contributing. If you are not at the level where you want to contribute with code, look at the project repository, look at things that that maintainers are already planning to do, and try to join the discussions. Usually, I recommend people joining communities just to see what's going on, and just have a passive role at the beginning until you figure out how the project works. The more that you get into it, the more that you know what's the next thing that is valuable for the project and what are the things that you can start contributing in there. Look for small things, don't look for big features. Look for things that are just improvements on the things that you are already using. The more that you do that, the more that you can just take more and more responsibilities. And that's why you can then end up being something like a maintainer of a project, which is something that if you enjoy the project, you will just naturally become one. You will contribute with bigger things, and those bigger things will need to be maintained over different releases, and that will help you to raise your profile in the community. When you have done that, or if you're interested, look into more than one single project. The more projects that you contribute, the different technologies that you can learn, the better it's for your profile, and the easier it gets to get into different projects. I've contributed to more than, I think, 10 to 12 projects, and my experience is that it's easier and easier and easier to contribute, and you always find what you can provide to the project. Bring your own experience, bring your own problems into the project and see if there are solutions. If they are not, have the right conversations, get in touch with the maintainers, because they will be more than happy to help you to get started. So if you want to contact me, you can add me in Twitter, at Salaboy, or just drop me a message or say hello if you're here at KubeCon. So.